Before we start crocheting the actual hat, I think it would be a good idea for you to make a small sample first, just to make sure you have the correct gauge as I do. Gauge is the number of stitches and rows per inch or centimeter in a pattern. So for Nai's hat, the gauge I would want is 18 stitches and 10 rows, equaling 4" by 4" square. Because if the gauge does not match what I have, then your item might be too big or too small. So I would suggest you make a small sample of the pattern before you begin the actual hat. And I will help show you how.